I am Paul, Cloud Specialist, ZDEP Technologies. I am Certified Instructor in AWS Solution Architecture Associate, AWS Developer Associate, and AWS Professional. We are going to see AWS Real-Time Project Explanation in English and Tamil. Please do subscribe our channel. Hello guys, it's me, Paul, from ZDEP Technologies. Today I'm going to explain you very important process for production environment, how to recover Windows passwords from failure or forget. I'm talking about Amazon EC2 Windows passwords. Okay, to do this I am in Ireland region. You can be part of any region, and I should have the prerequisite is I should have identity access management role, and I had to have two scripts, one for password recovery, one for instance password recovery, and as well as rescue recovery. And when I go to identity access management, I have created a role called SSM full access. There you can see, and Amazon is a role for SSM, Amazon SSM full access, and two script I have already deployed here. So this SSM full access I'm going to attach with this role. I'm going to attach with EC2 instance, and there you can see I got a policy. In this policy I have to replace instance ID and region and account ID. Okay, this is for recovery 1, and this is Windows recovery 2. The same thing I have to do here. Okay, and make sure that these all things you have properly done. Okay, now go back to services. So here I'm in Ireland region, so let me launch a Windows server, and I'm going to attach that identity access management role which I created already. So this troubleshooting apply only for Windows, not for Linux, because Linux have key based authentication, Windows have password based authentication. So that is, Linux have asymmetric key based authentication, Windows have symmetric key. So this what is mean by the asymmetric key means two keys shared by two user, and symmetric means one key shared by two user. So there you can see I'm going to select Windows Server 2012. I can also go for 2008, 2016, 2019. There you can see identity access management role which I have already saved. I'm going to select that one. Okay, so just I'm going to give the name here, Windows Server. Okay, so that's wrong, 2012. Okay, so I'm going to have a security groups which I have 3389 port enabled. Yeah, that you can see. Okay, I'm going to review and launch it. So I'm going to create I don't have any existing key pair here, so I'm going to create a new key pair. So Windows recovery. Oops, sorry. I'm going to download the key pair and launch instance. So view instance, and there you can see instance is just warming up, starting up. Okay, so there you can see, and see Windows password recovery. This is I'm telling in AWS management console how we recover it. Okay, it's because sometimes you may forget password, and that server is very important for your production environment. So you are going to be in difficult situation, critical conditions to access the machine, and that is very important for you to give the recovery. Okay, there you can see identity access management role I have already installed. So this while launching instance itself, I have already attached the IAM role, and for kind thing you can also launch instance and you can have IAM role. You can attach it later also, but if you attach it after launching of instance, it may take 5 minutes time to get things to come into action, so that pretty late. Okay, I doesn't want that. That's why I have been already given that role, attached the role while launching the instance. Okay, there you can see still it's pending state, and what's really going on here inside. So I need to pick up that one. So okay, so let me refresh it. Okay. Still he's just having the pending option, so let me reset it, and let's see what's really going on inside my machine. See, while your Windows instance booting up or Linux booting up, there you can see running state, and let me connect and get password. Okay, initially AWS will give this own password. After that you change that password with custom password. then you forget the password. There we have real problems. So let's see what really happens in this machine. Get screenshot. Yeah, there you can see it came into logging state. So let me now, you should ask the password. There you can see asking password, and choose file, and I'm going to have a Windows the PEM file which I have already saved here. So that is Windows recovery.pem. Decrypt it and download remote desktop file. So there you can see, open it here and copy paste the password and OK. Click OK. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. So there you can see, since I'm running T2.micro, it is a little bit slow here. It's so beautiful, you and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors. Okay, I'm going to CMD. I'm going to change the password. Net user administrator password is. I'm going to have a 7-character password, but wait a minute. If you give 3 characters password, I'm really sorry, Windows password policy does not allow. Change that one and go to secpol.msc, and it'll open you this account policies, their password policy, and password must be compulsory requirement. Disable it. Okay, and now you can give 3 characters password. So I'm going to use net user administrator, enter. There you can see password has been changed. I'm going to put asterisk. Via this method also you can able to easily change the password. Okay, now the password has been changed, so the password has been replaced. What password AWS has given is replaced by user defined password. So now let me test it. Let me close it down. So let me go to connect, and there you get the password. I'm going to decrypt it here, and this password is no more valid, and just assign the password. There you can see it should be invalid. There you can see. And in this situation you forget your new change custom password. Now you are in critical condition. You have to do recovery. How to recovery? First of all, make sure you have attached IAM role, which I have done, and copy this instance ID and directly go to identity access management and by account, because sometimes you must have account ID too. So go to IAM role, where is that IAM? There you can see IAM role. Okay, so here we go. So here I'm going to have a roles, come down, SSM full access. There you can see I have 2 policies. So get into first one, edit policy JSON, and there you can see you have to replace the instance ID, account ID, and region. Okay, so copy the instance ID there, put it there properly. And change the region. Find it. So I'm in Ireland region right now. So how to find the region name? Come down. Here we have. Okay, so now review policy, save changes. Now next one. Change the instance type. Oops, I'm sorry. So I just gave the instance region name. Okay, there we can see we have to go the instance. The region name and instance ID. So the instance ID, That's all. And review policy, save changes. So now go to System Manager. System Manager is very powerful console. You can see you just go for Manage Instance, and there he detected the machine because of IAM role is attached. Okay, so now go to Run command. So run a command, and here AWS has given lots of run command. Okay, so I'm looking for okay, so there you can see we have AWS support run EC2 rescue for Windows tool. Select that one and select instance, choose instance manually, select the instance which we have here, and come down, and 22,500 characters will be displayed here. That's output, but I want complete output, so put it in S3 bucket, which I have already my existing buckets which I have already created. Okay, so let I choose the bucket, keys 1010, and let I give as S3 key prefix AWS Windows Server 2012 password recovery. Right, so come down, and I'm going to have a same prefix name for the CloudWatch logs. Okay, so again I will get the output here. Okay, so now open S3 buckets and CloudWatch logs. Okay, CloudWatch output. Right, I have done that. So let me run. You can see the task in progress. Okay, so it will take a little bit time. There you can see the log is created. Go to S3 buckets, and there you can see the log is created. Okay, so either here and there you can create it. Okay, let's see it's successfully done or not. Sorry. It's in progress, and there you can see he created 2 logs there. The first one, let's see, yeah, AC successfully done. Okay, successfully installed EC to rescue, and the second one there you can see success. Okay, so next we review S3 buckets, CloudWatch, and there you can see the second log we have. Sorry, this is already seen. Go to the first one. Okay, so here you can see we got the link here. Okay, there we go. The recovery link has been given by AWS. That is the password. Okay, let me check in Windows S3 buckets. Sorry, the Amazon S3. There you can see instance ID, and there you can see PowerShell, and there you can see make as a public and download, and there you can see I got std out file, and there you got it the link, and copy the link and go to browser and paste it here, there where you will be getting new password. Okay, let me put that one here. So there you can see you got the new password. Now let me apply this. Let's check that. Okay, so you forget old password. Now paste the password which I have already there, and click OK. Yes. Yes, there you can see. This is how Windows is recovered. This is very important for production environment, and I hope you understood this is how they recover the Windows. Thank you so much for watching this, and please do subscribe to our channel. I catch you next video. Bye.